I'm Leona Dooley, and this is Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme in the kitchen. And this is where we work hard, we love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else. Now, before you go any further, if you are a tried and true member of the family, then I am so glad that you're here. But if you're new to my channel, please stop right now and hit that subscribe button so that I will be able to send to you all things done right here in the kitchen. I love tablescaping, and I love having a very nice looking table in my kitchen. And this is one of the lanterns that I had put together for the spring. And it's time to add a little something extra. So slowly but surely, I'm going through the kitchen and touching a few things up, adding a little color, taking away some colors. So I'm going to start right here on my table. So what I'm going to do with this, I love the flowers. I used hydrangeas and all those flowers that you would normally have. But when I put this swag together, I tied it onto my lantern. So voila, that part of the lantern is gone. So now we can do something really fun to this particular table and to this lantern, and it's going to be so easy. So just wait 1 second. All right, now here's the swag. Let's see if I can get you in closer and turn you down so we can work. All right, there's our swag. And this swag, while as beautiful as it is, needs a little extra. It needs to be tied to the flowers. So I'm going to get the pieces that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to tie it directly to the swag. So here we go. We've got it. I'm going to flip it over, get things out of the way. And I am going to tie this onto the swag. Now, the reason for doing this, I can change the swag. I can change the ribbon. Okay, so we've got him tied in. There's his tie, there's the ring, and we've tied him on. Now, we're going to make sure I got the pieces. We're going to put in a bow, and we're going to start it little because we want it to be pretty tight. And right through there. Now I'm going to open that up and fluff it out. Fluff that bow out. So that bow is going to be a part of the decoration in the back. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Make sure. All right, so there we go. We got a cute little bow back there that we've opened up. All of these nice pieces. And I'm going to leave these. I'm just going to, do a little something extra to them to give them a little personality. And I've got ties here. This is the tie that actually tied it onto the swag that we're working with. Now we have pieces of the bow. So I'm going to very gently turn this around because what I want to do, I'm going to kind of hold on to it. Then I'm going, remember, we're dealing with wire. So I'm going to take some of these wire pieces and I'm going to start to nestle them around our lantern. Just kind of fold them where I want them to go. I'm going to play with the bow as we go. Get those pieces in. I may move a few flowers here and there. Get them in where I want them. Put the bows in where you want them to peek in and out. peacock ribbon. You know, when you're shopping your house, you find all kinds of goodies. So there's our black and white. More peacock ribbon. Peacock bows. Oh, it's going to be nice. So I'm carrying that theme. And I want those right there. So there is our lantern. And we've turned it into something totally new, totally different. These little ends will curl and you can just kind of play with them. Run your finger down them. I've got a couple pieces I need to cut and put in their V-cut. So let me get my scissors and trim those up. Okay. So that's there. Okay, I've got one here. So my scissors have been around a while. They have been cutting all kinds of things. Make sure I have everything cut back here. I do. And he's cut. And this one is cut. So we're good to go. So we've got a front. We got sides. And we've got a back. And we've got beauty from all directions. So we can just play with this. So every time you come past, you can decide, where do I want that bow? And then I can play with a flower, stretch it out or bend it, and place it where I want it to be. If I want it to turn up, then I can bend it up. So that's the nice thing. Buy nice flowers. So you can just play with them. Have fun with them. There's our little peacock peeking out. There we go. All right, got our hydrangeas over here. There's our thyme. I want that hydrangea out just a little bit. So I'm going to give that a little bend and bring that up. And then work on this. There we go. All righty. One that dropped out, but that's okay. I'm going to put him in right there. How nice. Nice little spot. Okay, my table is ready. I'm going to pull you back. Well, first I'll bring you up close so you can see all the goodies. See the one I put up in the top? And then I'm going to pull you out. Bring you around the table. You can see I've still got some things I'm working on. Summer's not quite here yet. I'll turn the light out so you can see the little lights that are inside. And at nighttime it looks so pretty. Well, our table is set, and I am so looking forward to your being right here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. And you know what? We are going to have an absolutely great time. The lantern is in place. You'll see I added a little black and white check runner in order to bring out the black and white check of the bow in the topper. Now, let's look at those plates. You'll see that I've pulled in the aqua and I've added in one of my English garden plates for the salad. And then here's my napkin so that we have our napkin ready to go. I've added in a wine glass and a water glass. And so I do believe that we're going to have a great evening. I love these glasses. I got them from Ross. Ross is a great place for picking up those items that you need and you want them to look just a certain way. Now, also the thing about Ross is that you must catch them when they're there, because there are times when you can go in Ross and you can't find anything. And then there's other times you go into Ross and you find everything. So we have tied on our new swag to the lantern, and I'm going to take you back to the back where we tied it on. And you'll be able to see the mechanics. Here's our bow. There's our tie-in. So you can't even tell. But when fall comes, or I decide to change out colors during the middle of the summer, then I can just pull this little piece right here and take the whole thing off. I love it. In the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, this is where we work hard. We love God and family, and we know without a doubt that everything else is just gravy. And I invite you to subscribe, to be a part of the family so that you will know all of the fun things that we're doing right here in our kitchen. I hope that you'll come back because we're always doing something fun, whether it be cooking, decorating, or DIYing. So, I'll see you soon, right here in my kitchen. Blessings.